Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, this is Mr. Saeed speaking. How are you, my dear students? Today, this is the second meeting with you. I'd like to introduce the second grammar rule in Unit 7, which is make causative. What are the causative verbs and what the meaning of causative verbs? Causative verbs are verbs that show the reason why something happened. Again, the causative verbs are verbs that show the reason why something happened. What is the usage for make causative? The usage is that we use make to tell us or to tell other people why something happened. Again, we use make to tell us why something happened. For example, my mom made me do the homework. My mom made me do the homework. Why did I do the homework? Because my mom asked me to do that. So the reason here is my mom, and she made me do the homework. The second example here, dad makes our family help each other. Again, the example again, dad makes our family help each other. What is the reason for helping each other? The reason here is dad. And what does dad make us do? Dad makes our family help each other. In this part, we're going to discuss the form. How can I make the sentence that contain make causative? The form here is subject plus make or makes if the sentence is present, or made if the sentence or the action happened in the past, plus someone or something that we can call it object, plus the infinitive verb. Again, the form again. Subject, someone made the action, the reason, plus make or makes when this action happens in the present time, made if the action happened in the past, plus someone or something which is the object, plus infinitive verb. Let's discuss these examples and check where the reason and what happened exactly. Example number 1, our teacher makes us work in teams. Again, our teacher makes us work in teams. Why we work in team? Why do we work in teams? Because of my teacher or our teacher, and he made us work in teams. So we can notice that makes in the present action plus us, which is the object, plus work infinitive verb. Example number 2, the magician made the girl fly. The magician made the girl fly. Wow. Here we can see that the magician is the reason, and the made is in the past, the girl, the object, fly, infinitive verb. This is the result for what happened. Example number 3, Tom made me open the door. Tom made me open the door. If I ask you, why did you open the door? You will say, because Tom asked me to do that, or because of Tom. So Tom here is the reason, made the verb to show the causative, show the reason, plus open the infinitive verb. Example number 4, my dad can make all the family feel happy. My dad can make all the family feel happy. So my dad here is the reason of happiness in our family. Example number 5, we make our moms help us do the homework. We make our moms help us do the homework. Why moms? Why our moms help us in the homework? Because we ask them to do that, to help us, because we can't do anything in our lives without our moms. So here we are the reason that make moms help us. Okay, after we notice the form in the affirmative sentence, let's discuss the negative form of make or makes or makes. If the sentence contains a make, which is in the present action, we can make it in the negative form using don't. So make will be don't make. If the sentence in the present and contains makes, so the negative form will be doesn't make. If the sentence happened in the past and it contains made, so the negative will be didn't make. We notice here after don't, doesn't, and didn't, we add make in the infinitive verb. Let's discuss these examples. Example number 1, we make the balloon go high. We make the balloon go high. Let's make it in the negative form. We don't make the balloon go high. Why? We used don't because the sentence here is in the present and the sentence contains make. So the negative becomes we don't make the balloon go high. Example number 2, mom makes our lives become better. Again, mom makes our lives become better. The negative form here, mom doesn't make our lives become better. Again, the example again, mom doesn't make our lives become better. We use doesn't because the sentence contains makes plus s. Okay, so the negative is doesn't make. Example number 3, the magician made the tiger fly. The magician made the tiger fly. This sentence happened in the past, so the negative form is the magician didn't make the tiger fly. The magician didn't make the tiger fly. My dear students, after we discussed the form and the usage of causative, let's answer some questions. In this exercise, we have 5 points into a shown question. Point number 1, his elder brother made him went to the supermarket yesterday. I hear you saying that there is something wrong here in this sentence. Let's read it again. His elder brother made him went to the supermarket yesterday. Correct the verb. The mistake here that the sentence is in the past, so we use the made. But after made, we use infinitive verb. Can we say made him went? No. The correction here that went will be go. You are right. Example number 2, the hot weather makes my mom to feel unhappy. Put the verb in the correct form. To feel, so we will use the infinitive verb, so it is feel. You are right, thanks. Number 3, Jana's mom wants her to do sports at the weekends. Jana's mom wants her to do sports at the weekends. Use make. At the beginning, to answer this question, we must ask ourselves why Jana do sports? Because of mom. So mom here, or Jana's mom here, is the reason. So she is the subject. The sentence is in the past or in the present? For sure, it's in the present. So make will be in the present form, will be make. And because of Jana's mom, so it will be makes. You are right. So Jana's mom makes her do sports. Do sports. Don't use to. Jana's mom makes her do sports at the weekends. Thanks. Point number 4 here. I swept the floor. I swept the floor. This action happened in the past. Swept in the past. Because my dad asked me to do so. So, where is the reason? My dad. So, we'll start the sentence with my dad. The sentence happened in the past. So, make will be made. Made who? Made me. So my dad made me sweep the floor. Infinitive verb. The infinitive from swept is sweep. Point number 5. Adam's family made him share in the concert. Let's make it negative. Here, made in the past. So, yes, I can hear you. Made will in the past. The negative form will be didn't make. You are correct. So the answer will be Adam's family didn't make him share in the concert. At the end, guys, I'd like to thank you all for your paying attention, and I wish you all great health and be happy all the time. See you in the next interview. Thank you. Bye bye.